Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft Store with the same Microsoft account you plan to use for Gamepass. Once signed in, make sure Windows updates are applied and a payment method is added to your account. This avoids interruptions during checkout. Open the Microsoft Store app, use the profile icon to confirm your account, then type Game Pass into the search bar to locate the subscription options. This gets you straight into the purchasing flow without wasting time on settings. You now pick the Game Pass plan that fits you console, PC, or Ultimate, and check the included benefits like Cloud Play or EA Play. After selecting Subscribe or Try, carefully read the price, trial length, and recurring billing interval. This prevents surprise charges. Make sure the billing address and payment method are correct, then authorize the purchase with your chosen verification, PIN, fingerprint, or password. Once done, the store processes the subscription and links it to your account. After purchase, install the Xbox app or download games directly from the Microsoft Store. Eligible titles will display included so you can install without extra charge. If you received a code, redeem it in the store or at your Microsoft account page, and the subscription will activate immediately. If something goes wrong, first verify your payment details, sign out and back in, and clear the store cache with WS Reset. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support while noting error codes for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.